On this episode of Roadkill, we're just trying to get home from church in a 1989 Supra.
And it's a Toyota.
So this is the new head gasket. It's actually a head gasket sealer. I'm trying to figure out how much capacity my cooling system is to know how much of this satanic liquid to put in. It says devil on it. And right. I think we got a head gasket problem.
Oh yeah, 100%. 100%.
Coolant line.
I told you, I said I smell coolant. Oh no, you're fine.
That's the coolant line.
Yeah, the hose is dripping.
So I'm not sure if it's from the Blue Devil or not, but apparently that coolant, I'm assuming that's the coolant line because it smells like coolant. It has a hole in it.
Oh, you know what? No. That goes to your turbo. That's your turbo feed line. That's the coolant line that feeds to your turbo.
It burns my eyes.
Yeah, it does burn.
At least made it to church, we can pray about it.
New hose. And what are we doing, Mike?
We're gonna drive to Walmart down the road and find parts to fix my car. Temporarily. Yeah, you see the puddle I left? There's a Toyota dealer here.
Wonder if they'll fix it.
I'm sure they got 7M parts on the shelf. No. This is probably the only store that has somewhat car parts that's open on a Sunday.
It's called Wal-Mart.
It's cool.
But we need pre-mixed.
This is pre-mixed.
We're not going to be mixing coolant and water in the parking lot.
All these aisles and I can't find duct tape. But some cool chrome trim styles.
Twice as thick. They wrap it twice.
So because of this awesome branding, this ferociously strong tape, this is our choice.
We got a ferociously strong car.
97 cents for 4. Can you carry that, Jake? Seems like a good deal.
Okay, so coolant was like 19 bucks for a little jug, like a 4 liter jug. But I mean, this is 97 cents, so it's kind of a no-brainer. So what are we gonna do, Mike?
So I'll show you the line there.
You can see the
Jacob, the mechanic,
yeah.
said that's a coolant to turbo oil.
Well, you can see it.
Coolant to turbo line. So it's for cooling my turb ski.
And your line is even. It was like pressurized. You can see the line moved up off the hose over here. The hose
It's still on,
down there. It's still on down there.
For
but
now.
it was like there was a lot of pressure in there.
This stuff might be hard to rip.
Yeah, 'cause it's furiously strong. It's furious Pete. You're gonna need to wrap it like actually
I know.
around.
I gotta get it underneath first.
on the tape.
Toyota.
Oh, your turbo hose is cracked too. Look down there. There's so many problems with this thing. Now that there's white all over it, you can really see all the issues.
Is that good enough? I don't think so.
This is really strong tape.
Yeah. That's some rags.
Wow, this is a really good fix. Is it gonna last? No.
Boss Garage.
Do this.
The Boss Garage approved.
Watch, do this.
Oh, man.
Move your hand.
You're not. It's problem.
Yeah.
Nice thing about water is you don't really care to spill.
Yeah, cause just clean it. You can slosh some water up all over here and try to get this white junk off. Oh, it's like slime. Oh, it's sticky.
Yeah, it's full, Mike.
Now it is.
That's right.
There's some white stuff in there too.
That's a bit cloudy. Now tell me.
Must have lost a bit, I would say.
As ours, your car, like altogether, should take one of those. So if you're taking one of those right now, you lost a lot of coolant.
Oh no.
Oh yeah.
We learned that the Civic cars don't really need coolant. It's just recommended.
Holy moly! It's taking the whole jug. Is you're not leaking somewhere else, huh?
So I closed my window because obviously more aerodynamic means my car will be under less strain, which means coolant will heat up less. Can't see shit. Those geoengineers, you really need to spray more chemicals in the air to block that sun from my eyes.
We made it down the road to the local McDonald's.
Literally 2 kilometers because we want McDonald's.
Yeah. So we just came here. That was like a benchmark test. Oh yeah.
Still
We're
spraying
gonna have
in the
to.
same
No,
spot.
we're gonna have to tape it together tighter. So we go into McDonald's, get our food, take that junk off wherever you taped it up.
But you
next
can't
time
get it tighter.
Next time we take it around.
No, here's the problem. It doesn't stick to the hose because of the coolant.
Well, wipe
It's
it
stuck
off.
to itself.
Wipe it off.
And then what? The coolant's still gonna spray underneath and just loosen it up. That's why I wanted a hose clamp on top. That use that as a sealer.
Well, it's
Clamp
certain.
it.
Oh wait, no. Napas will all be closed.
Everything's closed.
Everything's closed.
We're just gonna, we'll top everything off now, and we'll drive home after our food.
And then by the time we get home, we'll buy a new head gasket. The headlights on.
Gotta check it. She's steaming again. Update on what's going on. There is a rad light on the dash. Not sure what that means. Maybe that the rad's low on coolant. Maybe not. But I'm still gonna send it to where I decided.
I'm gonna sort the McDonald's food so that we don't have to change like all the food when we get home. We can just get the bag and then eat our food.
Yeah. She's heating up. I got the heat on. My car says it should be 32 degrees, but it feels like 100. So we're gonna check everything again.
We're gonna take a gander.
Doesn't look to be steaming.
Because there's no water left.
There's no coolant in it.
That could also be. Oh, now it's steaming.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna top off the overflow. There's actually still some in there, so I shouldn't have run out in the rad. We're just gonna send it. No one likes 7Ms anyways.
2J swap?
Yeah, if we win the lottery. So update, we made it home. Just parking it now. Update on the Blue Devil. For all you guys that wanted to know, how's that Blue Devil stuff? I wanna try it. Don't try it.
Now we're gonna. Now we're gonna.
This might not have been from that, but likely it is from that. Because that's the only thing we've changed since I've been having problems.
Now we're gonna eat some McDonald's and forget that this ever happened until next year when we fix it.
It could also have been because I didn't drive it in like over a year. I just had it sitting around. But
Get out, Chris. I want to get out.